bag. So I went to a train show in Edison, NJ, and there was this huge display of Thomas stuff for sale. And I didn't have a lot of money, so I only bought like 4 things. I wish I bought more. There was a lot of cool stuff there that I didn't have that I really wanted, but I'm happy with the stuff I got. So let's take a look. So first, I got a Toby. I got a wooden Toby in pristine condition. Look at this boy. $8, 2003. So yeah, it'll replace my other Toby, which is in really crap condition. And then I got Oliver, 2003 Oliver as well. $9. And then the Tommy stuff. Here is one of them. Bill. $14. This is the Hit Toys Bill. And of course, since I got Bill, I had to get Ben. This is the Tommy Ben. $14 as well. Oh, there are batteries in them. I didn't know that. Is there a battery in Bill? Yes. They sound like they run good. Well, I'm gonna have to take those out. And yeah, that's all I got, because I didn't want to spend too much money. So 2 wooden items and 2 Tommy / traffic tester items. Yeah.